Hello everyone. Today I will introduce my newest workflow called the consistency in IP character creation and enhanced storyboard. I have submitted the workflow on the plate of runninghub. runninghub is a workstation which I usually use to produce workflow and app. Registering the account of runninghub by the link at the area of introduction of this video, you can get 1000 RH code for free. Each coin is a kind of virtual currency of runninghub platform, which costs according the duration of running whole workflow. It will not cost any RH coin if any node went wrong. If you want to learn and share more deeply technology about AIGC, you can click the below link to join the Telegram chat group called .AI. Let's begin the course for today. This workflow offers the function by submitting an IP image to produce consistency board. First, you can upload either two-dimensional anime style image or three-dimensional simulation style image for the reference of the storyboard. According to the test result, the storyboard generated by the two-dimensional anime style will focus on the consistency of the main elements of the whole picture, while the storyboard generated by the three-dimensional simulation style will focus on the consistency of the IP facial details. And then you can adjust the consistency enhancement weight. This value should not be too high, otherwise there will be problems such as obvious stitching marks. 0.2 is more appropriate. If most of the generated storyboards are seriously distorted, you can try 0.25 or 0.3. If your only individual images are seriously distorted, it is recommended to use the migration technique to process the individual storyboard images separately. And then you can input the storyboard description. You can write this by yourself. Separate each storyboard with next sign. Pay attention to capitalization and spaces. If you misspell it, it will not be parsed, and then you can determine whether you will translate all your description into English. This option mainly affects the language of the text in the image. The primary consideration is who you want your work to be shown to. If you want it to reach a global audience, it's best to translate it. If you are only marking it for your own language speaking users, don't translate it. For the storyboard description, you will notice that the part with the quotation marks in the prompt will be displayed as text in the image. If you don't want the text to be displayed, even if it's a special historical device, don't use quotation marks. These are what I enhanced in input terminal. Next step, I will introduce the output terminal. The output terminal includes the zero story bed.
Even after outputting these images, misalignment between characters and scenes may still occur. However, with so many storyboard images for reference, you can use techniques like migration, elimination, image blending to fix it. Generally speaking, the current versions of Yimeng 4.0 and Google Banana can solve most problems. If you don't like these extra paid APIs, there are plenty of multi-image editing apps or workflows on runninghub. Although the results might be a bit more rigid than Fang and Google Banana.
這是自己新嘅動機用嘅隨意都係感覺。
The link of this workflow and the relative app I will share at the introduction area of this video with the registering link alone. Class is over. Goodbye.